guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie James aka Wisma, and karibu sana to another video. So in today's video I am sharing with you a very simple recipe, salad recipe. We love it. It is delicious, it is simple to make, and it is yummy. So I am done doing my carrots. So I've grated 2 small carrots, or are they called baby carrots? This is your very first time to watch my videos, karibu sana, and consider subscribing if you have not yet subscribed. Na kama wewe ni returning subscriber, ninakuenzi sana na karibu sana to my video. So I am also using this is it purple cabbage. So I'm not going to use the whole cabbage, I'm just going to do the half of it. And now we have our carrots, we have our purple cabbage. I'm going to put some raisins. And then after that, I'm going to put some salt. Just a bit of it. And I'm going to put some sugar. 2 teaspoons of sugar. And after that, I have my Greek yogurt. This is plain yogurt. It is plain yogurt, so I'll do a mixture of the plain yogurt. In my plain yogurt, I'll add a bit of salt, a bit of sugar, sorry, and then I will mix it. To make sure that it is tasty. Once you see it, it is smooth. The sugar and yogurt has really mixed well. This is plain yogurt, it's thick. Once you see that it is mixed so well, now you can go ahead and mix your carrots, the raisins, the cabbage, the salt and sugar. And when you think that it is okay, it is well mixed according to your eyes, to the way to your satisfaction. If you feel you're satisfied with your mix, now then you can go ahead and add your yogurt mixture. When I tell you I am not a fan of salad, this one I can eat the whole day. I eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and not get tired. It is so sweet. The children like it. It is just yummy. And we don't waste anything in this house, so I'm gonna do this. So just allow me to do this because we work so hard. So we can't let any kobo jar go like that. The cat wow the key.
Nunca batika ule polisi ule kwa kita. Lasso di te. Di Diego in cadena che era.
Oh my god. You can see now it is taking shape. It is looking amazing. So I am not a fan of mayonnaise, so you will rarely see me putting, not even rarely, I don't do it, not unless I'm doing for people, but not me. So, and it's because I don't take fish, and when I taste mayonnaise, it tastes like it's fishy. And just like that, my salad is ready. Yep, and just like that, you can see it is well mixed. Well, you can't tell where the carrot, the cabbage, the whatever it is, but when you taste it, you will feel that it's yummy, 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 yummy. So let me have a taste of it. Let me have a bite. Very nice. So yeah, so that is how you make a simple purple cabbage salad. It is the easiest to make, and it is so sweet, delicious, and children also likes it. And personally, yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. Unajua zile zenye mnasemanga kurangi chakula mbichi, dokoma mbichi, sijui nini mbichi. Now this one is mbichi, but it is just amazing. Yeah, so if you're not a fan of salad, try this. I'm telling you, you will love it. Utakuwa unakula kila siku unatengeneza salad. So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. If you have not yet subscribed on this channel, please do subscribe. It is free. And also like this video. When you like this video, you give me the morale to keep on posting, to keep on creating more videos, because that one tells me that there is someone who is watching. So yeah, so God bless you. I love you, and I love you so deeply. See you on the next one.